Hello and welcome to this brief introduction and demonstration of ClaroRead Pro. ClaroRead Pro is a text-to-speech software. What this means is it's going to read text out loud. ClaroRead is probably one of the most well-known text-to-speech engines. And like the others, it can pretty much read any text that we can see on screen. This program, like others, does come with optical character recognition. What that means is it can take text from a book using a scanner and convert it into a readable format. A brief look at the toolbar. We've got our scanning functions, our play and stop, some font and spacing functions, a homophone checker, a general check button for spelling and dictionary and the homophones. Save, so we can save text as an MP3 or even a video file. We do have some extras, which is involving screen rulers, ClaroView, ClaroCapture. Screen ruler is tinting with a ruler, ClaroView is tinting without a ruler. ClaroCapture is a way of copying things to a multi-clipboard so we can record information from things like websites for later use. Speaking calculator, ClaroIdeas is a mind mapping program. Quick look at that. It's a useful but basic mind mapping program, so I would think it's superseded by other programs. It can export, but currently only to Word, PDF or image. How the program works? Well, we'll try it with some text off the internet, so it will read web pages, PDF files, Word documents. So, BBC News. Okay, some breaking news. Okay, so let's have this read out loud.
Russia appears to have begun carrying out airstrikes in Syria against opponents of President Bashar al-Assad, a US defense official says. The official said the strikes reportedly came in the area of the western city of Homs. Washington was informed in advance that they were about to take place.
Okay, so I'm advancing the
development came amid reports that
reading
President
by
Assad
moving the
had
cursor.
formally requested Russian military support.
As I move it down,
reports from Russia
reads.
say the upper house of the Russian parliament granted President Vladimir Putin approval to deploy the Russian Air Force in Syria.
Okay, so we can take
Middle
text
East. The official said the strikes reportedly.
and we can actually copy and paste that into something like Word, so I'll show you it reading from Microsoft Word. The difference with reading from Word and the web is highlighting options. So let me just normalize this text and I'll show you the highlighting.
The official said the strikes reportedly came in the area of the western city of Homs.
Now there's various highlighting options and I prefer that word trail, but we
It's
can
14 hours.
have a look at different options later on. Okay, brief look at the settings. We can alter voice and speed as usual. View, we can include or exclude options on our toolbar. We can lock it to the active window, which I just tend to find does cover up some useful tools on toolbars. Prediction options, yes, it will do text prediction. Checking, we can increase the dictionary and make it include or exclude different homophone settings. And scan, well, we can let it keep the original format or simplify formats as well. Okay, so all in all, it's a good, quite easy to use text-to-speech engine. Most importantly, it has that scanning ability for scanning from books and having it read out loud.